As optical networks carry increasingly critical services, stability and fast O&M become essential. GLSUN Fiber Cable Monitoring System is an all-in-one monitoring and alerting platform built for carrier-grade networks, delivering precise detection and rapid response to safeguard your optical network always on. The system innovatively adopts single-fiber multi-fiber monitoring, enabling full cable visibility, with 3 flexible modes: online monitoring without service impact, spare fiber monitoring for efficient redundancy use, and offline monitoring for deep fault analysis, plus optical power, OTDR loss, and integrated monitoring options. It adapts to every scenario for precise control of every fiber. The hardware configuration is comprehensive and flexible, with 4 core devices: optical power detector, high-stability light source, optical switch, and optical time domain reflectometer. It offers various size options such as 1U, 2U, and 4U to suit different data center deployment needs. 4U platform chassis supports up to 256 optical power channels, delivering ultra-high integration to significantly save space and cost. Paired with a self-developed optical network management system, it integrates system, topology, device, log, and alarm management, easy to use, powerful in function, and enabling unified, end-to-end network control. Fiber Cable Monitoring System. Fully automated monitoring, precise fault localization, ultra-fast fault response, unified resource management. From backbone and PON networks to power and enterprise networks, GLSUN Fiber Cable Monitoring System delivers comprehensive monitoring, precise fault location, and rapid response, ensuring stable, secure optical networks.